Ripple is all over the news and appears to be busier than ever. What are the most recent changes they've made? And what can we expect in terms of cost? To discover out, watch the video until the conclusion. But first, at the end of the month, we'll give away $25 to one lucky subscriber to get them started on their XRP journey. It's as simple as liking the video. Subscribe and let us know what you think about XRP in the comments area. Greetings, XRP Army. Ripple has had a fantastic day today. New institutional partners and new XRP-powered products are gaining popularity throughout the world. Even as the company is mired in a legal battle with the Securities and Exchange Commission that could make or break the company. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse said the company will be looking to hire a few people in order to fulfill the increased demand for its blockchain technology. It aims to hire several hundred more people, solutions, and the company's ambitious expansion goals for XRP. It was fantastic to see you at #FTAD. At Dan Murphy. Despite challenges in the United States, Ripple has had a record-breaking year with ODL expansion and mean attraction, and we're looking forwards to a bright future. To fuel our expansion, we're planning to hire a few hundred individuals next year, Garlinghouse tweeted. It's referenced in the tweet, which refers to a recent CNBC interview in which he talked about it. Judge Sarah Netburn, who presided over the SEC v. Ripple case, was praised by him. As a result of Judge Sarah Netburn's findings, Ripple has been able to gain a number of victories during the course of this action. In addition to ordering an in-camera review to determine the validity of the SEC's privilege claims, the court also compelled the testimony of former SEC employees, which was a huge setback for the plaintiff. For the plaintiff, this was a severe setback. The SEC has also been asked for a massive amount of information in the form of admission requests on a variety of topics, ranging from cryptocurrency transactions conducted offshore to questions about the fair notice argument and whether the XRP ledger was fully functional at the time of the 2013 sales. Hogan and Hartson attorneys offered their thoughts on Ripple's historic victory. Continue reading to learn more about their perspectives. This helps to explain why there has been a lull in public coverage of Judge Sarah Netburn's expert testimony hearings in recent weeks. I am convinced that each side, in this matter, has identified multiple experts and they will be examined as part of the expert discovery process, which is presently underway. We may expect each deposition to be unique. It lasts all day, and each expert is required to write a report detailing his or her findings. I wouldn't be surprised if there are 10 to 15 specialists on this case in all. So when you sum it all together, there is a lot of work going on behind the scenes in the case right now, said attorney Jeremy Hogan. With the built-in decentralized exchange of the XRP ledger, as well as a custom token capacity of over 5,400. On the site, various currencies have been established and exchanged to date. What are your thoughts on these plans? Let us know what you think in the comments area below. However, there's more to expand the capacity of nodes to accommodate a higher number of constantly logged-in users. Upgrades to the XRP ledger's Trustline-related traffic are required. According to Ripple and developers, XRP nodes labeled S1 and S2, which are maintained and managed by Ripple and developers, have recently been out of sync with the network. Users of Zoom and XRPLcluster.com experienced a 5-hour outage that disrupted XRPLcluster.com and other non-custodial wallet services. This does not account for transactions that take place on the network's Trustline. Despite the fact that XRP has a transaction rate of 15 O per second. To receive payments in a cryptocurrency other than XRP, users must first establish a trust line with the asset's issuing account. It also aids in the prevention of token spam by allowing users to choose the assets they want to use. They want to keep and receive without affecting their XRP wallet or balance in any way. On the XRP network, the number of trust lines and tokens has exploded, and the network is still growing. The activity of the XRP ledger's public nodes has slowed as a result of this. Substantially. Although the number of XRPL public nodes and clusters is growing, they are not yet equipped to manage an increase in trust line transactions. According to @W Kahneman, a cryptocurrency expert who recently revealed his thoughts on the matter in a tweet. The XRP ledger is having issues. Transactions between the two nodes in the apps. As a result, migrating to other nodes is challenging. Backups may be created on other nodes as well if a site like xrplcluster.com is used. Engineers at Ripple are currently concentrating their efforts on expanding the capacity of the public nodes. XRP coins are being sold at a rapid rate on cryptocurrency exchanges by whales. Binance reported earlier this month that a mysterious whale had placed 40 million XRP with the exchange and then auctioned off his or her holdings. According to sources, XRP is a cryptocurrency. It has been unable to rebound from a recent price dip due to technical issues. FX Street analysts have been watching the price of XRP and have anticipated a severe bear trap in the near future. Do you think Ripple's new upgrade is fantastic? If that's the case, you'll want to give this video a thumbs up. But what does this mean for the price of XRP? Despite the fact that it is still trading at a low, the price of Ripple has recovered from its intraday low on Thursday. In the midst of a 3-week losing streak, the trend, like so many other cryptocurrencies, was spotted. The pattern seen in this cryptocurrency is similar to that seen in other cryptocurrencies. The value of XRP has plunged after reaching a 2-month high earlier in November. It has risen by around 27.69% since then. It hit a low of 0.9562 during the afternoon session on Thursday, which was the day's low. On a 2-hour chart, it is evident that the price of Ripple is trading below both the USD and the EUR. The exponential moving averages for the 25-day and 50-day periods are rising, indicating that the cryptocurrency is on the rise. More hiccups. The cryptocurrency will continue to be under pressure, according to XRP HUD. Despite recent improvements, there is no reason to think this will change anytime soon. Between Thursday's low of 0.9562 and the resistance level of 1.0160, the currency is expected to move within a relatively limited range. If you feel XRP will soon achieve new highs, comment XRP Army. If the bears continue to fall below the horizontal channel's bottom limit, they will have a chance to retest the 0.9000 support zone, as seen in the chart. The bulls, they say. On the other side, it might be able to bring Ripple's price up to 1.0684 in the near future. However, the bulls must retake control of the market in order for the market to recover. It's important for cryptocurrency to break through the $1.10 minus $1.11 support-turned-resistance zone. If the price of Ripple does not break through the $1 resistance level and move into support, it indicates that buyers are unable to propel the cryptocurrency price higher. Whatever the cause of the current strong increase in the cryptocurrency market, if the bears win control and force the price of XRP down to a lower bottom, it will be considered a bear market. The bullish thesis will be shown false and refuted with the range low around 85 cents. What are your thoughts on the Ripple news? Do you believe Ripple is on the verge of taking over the world? Let us know what you think in the comments area. If you wish to learn more about XRP, there are 2 videos on the end screen that you can watch. Please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch. Look forwards to seeing you in the future video. Please keep in mind that cryptocurrency prices fluctuate regularly, so by the time you see this video, it may have changed to a completely different value. You should not regard any of the content in this video as investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other type of advice. This video's material is intended for. It is provided solely for educational reasons and should not be construed as financial advice. Carry out your duties before making any investment decisions. Do your homework and consult with your financial advisor.